Gold H1 time frame. Last 2 weeks you saw pump in 5 impulsive wave, then dump in AVC wave. Now price is up again, and from this top to bottom on H1 time frame, price has retraced 61%. That's mean 2434 is your big intraday resistance level. So either price breakout goes up from here or failed and go back below yellow support level. So these two levels 2434 and 2381 are your two big static support and resistance level. The biggest reason why we saw market crash everywhere, gold and stock, we all know it triggered by that Friday NFP 4.3%. Only one H1 candle after NFP, but after few hours it came down on Friday and most of the time on Monday. So this is your number one economy. When it goes into recession, all the small country goes into economic depression. So after Monday, stock market crash stopped because Fed again secretly doing market intervention, which we call Fed put. For more clarity, in case price breakout below the support and resistance level, if you go from H1 to daily chart, then this 2365 big static horizontal support level. You can see price making uptrend from 2300 level up, double bottom, breakout, neckline retest, up again. So this is a big level 2365. You can say short term bullish above this level, bearish below this level. Same like that, your big static horizontal resistance 2480. So price failed again from psychological level. It could not test 2500, and because of market crash, everything was going down. So this time you have totally new reason gold not going about 2500. This is your new small sideways range in gold. You can say bullish about 2365 but bearish from 2480 level. Clear static horizontal support and resistance level, and for more clarity you have on H1 2435 and 2381. These are your support and resistance level. And if you see as a chart pattern, then we have this possible ending diagonal chart pattern, and for more clarity you have crystal clear static support and resistance level. Same like March, when dollar was going up, gold was not following relation. Similar thing is happening now. You have dollar index collapsing, US 10-year bond yield collapsing. Already made a separate video about bond market. Still gold is not breakout above 2500. Because if you see as volume, COT decreasing their position for last 3 weeks. Your number one consumer market, China, their central bank is not buying gold and their consumer demand decreased 5% in first half of the year. And your number two consumer market, India, World Gold Council head saying they will see historic demand in fourth quarter of this year during Diwali. And timing is same to same, US election, FOMC and that festive season. If recession panic increase, then demand can decrease or economic boom start again. Same like March. Then either demand stay sideways or can increase in India in fourth quarter. And banks are still predicting, like Goldman Sachs, their 2700 price target. Because major reason price not break out about 2480, psychological level 2500. If you see, China is not buying gold. At the same time, somebody is buying US 10-year bond. So that BRICS narrative trade is not working right now. And this BRICS narrative alone, one of the biggest reason we saw gold from 1620 to 2480, but that trade is not happening right now. If that happen again, then can break out 2480 level. otherwise sideways range 2365. Until this support area does not break out, technically sentiment will not turn bearish. So Fed is now talking about emergency rate cut, and it is magical thing, no fixed timing if emergency rate cut happen, and no fixed size. It totally depends on how much low stock market goes and what are market sentiment. If market does not crash more, then we can expect in September FOMC meeting confirm rate cut. But Fed did not cut in July week and BOJ hike. So because of that, USD JPY carry trade unwinding began and you saw Black Monday last week. And that was one of the biggest reason you saw crash in Bitcoin, because it is limited supply while gold supply can increase by GDX, because they are still doing their QT monetary policy. So rate cut will begin this year, but important thing is when their QT monetary policy will stop. Now there is so much talk about independent central bank from both party, Kamala and Trump both. For this level to break out, we need both fiscal and monetary policy support. That's mean to again stop recession. If you see weekly chart, Trump setting interest rate not Powell started in 2018 till 2020. Now 4 years later, Trump is saying how he did interest rate manipulation. Same like that, 4 years later, in August 2028, Biden will tell you how he manipulating Fed interest rate. Because on each of these law, Biden forced Fed to delay recession by doing QE or rate cut through bond market. Now Biden is living right at the top, and your WXY wave complete projection 2451, and you are seeing again and again rejection above this level. Price goes, but each time you see rejection and weekly candlestick closing below 2451. So this entire area 2451 to 2560 is your sale zone. Every price above 2451 is selling opportunity. And last week you saw Black Monday market crash, full panic. But since Fed did no policy change, but outcome are same, dollar collapsing, yield collapsing, but they are doing this thing since 2018. Every time stock market goes down, they change policy and save stock market from crashing. And last week you saw when stock going up, Jeremy Siegel happy, no need for rate cut. When stock crash, panic and want emergency rate cut. So these are market adapting to 0% interest rate and QE monetary policy. He is not alone. If you see Trump, Bill Ackman and Jeremy Siegel were few people who were saying that Fed raise rate slow and cut slow. And that market crash was your hacking of recession indicator by Biden through immigration, by fiscal policy act and many more. And these are the reason second time you are saying gold is not following relation with dollar. If you see news this week, PPI and Fed Bostic speech, your CPI, which will directly influence Fed interest rate decision. And when news is already priced in 1620 for last 2 years, on big news like NAP, instead of going up, gold came down. So let's see what happened on CPI this week. Then next day, job claim. Last week they decreased recession fear. That's why stock and gold both up at the same time. Fed hawker speech. Then next day, inflation expectation and consumer sentiment. For the scalper on daily chart, you have clear ending diagonal chart pattern, upper and lower trend line retest until it end, clear resistance and support, and this is your new sideways range until it break out. There is no trend in gold. If 2365 level break out, Gold sentiment technically full bearish as long as price trading above this level. Short term gold bullish, but every price above 2480 is selling opportunity in gold. That's mean retest of this upper trend line of ending diamond chart pattern.